kids, Miss Patton here. Today we're going to share this story. It's called 3D Shapes Are Like Green Grapes. And this book is going to be talking about different 3D shapes and describing them. 3D shapes are shapes that have length, width, and height, and take up space. Words or names used for different 3D shapes are cone, cube, cylinder, pyramid, rectangular prism, and sphere. Those are some of our 3D or our solid shapes, or shapes that take up space. A ball is a sphere. A sphere is a solid figure that is perfectly round. So it's solid or 3D. This hat is a cone. A cone is a solid figure that slopes from a single point to a circular base or a circular face. So it has a circle face and a point. Dice are cubes. A cube is a solid figure with 6 square faces that are all the same size. This present is a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a solid figure that has 6 faces. The opposite faces are equal. So if our present has a big rectangle on the top, it'll have a big rectangle on the bottom. And same with the side, this part that's facing us here, this rectangle, it's longer and thinner, will be the same on the other side. So the opposite faces are equal. This battery is a cylinder. A cylinder is a solid figure or a 3D shape with 2 circular faces that are the same distance apart and joined by a curved surface. So a cylinder has 2 circle faces and a big curve. Next, we have this purple toy as a pyramid. A pyramid is a solid figure with a square base and 4 triangular faces that meet at one point. What is different about a pyramid and a cone? Tell someone in your house, what is different about a pyramid and a cone? Well, remember that our pyramid here has a square face. If we go back, our cone has a circle face. So that's something that's different. I see that they're both 3D shapes. They both have a point, something that's the same. All right, let's keep going. 3D shapes are like green grapes. Seth goes ape over any 3D shape. He sees a sphere in each grape. I know this is a sphere because it's perfectly round. Since the day he was born, Seth has liked canned corn. He comes running when he hears the scrape of his mom opening a cylindrical shape. This is a cylinder because it has 2 circle faces and a big curve. Seth thinks it's cool to take his lunch to school. As he grabs his lunchbox, he says, "This 3D shape really rocks." I know that this is a rectangular prism because it has 6 faces and the opposite faces are equal. 3D shapes every day. When Sasha studies at school, she uses a globe. I notice that the earth is round. It's shaped like a sphere. The books that Sasha sees are in the shape of rectangular prisms. The books each have 6 faces, and the opposite faces are the same size. Sasha's teacher uses chalk that is in the shape of a cylinder. This chalk has 2 circle faces joined by a big curved surface. Sometimes at lunch, the students get ice cream cones for dessert. Oh, that's pretty lucky. What 3D shapes do you see when you're at school or when you're at home? What 3D shapes do you see around you? Today is Friday, so it's Free Draw Friday in your journal. If you wanted to draw one of our 3D shapes or give it a try in your journal, that would be awesome. Or you can write or draw about anything you would like. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see those journal entries. Aloha!